afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, entrepreneurs, businessmen. It's an honor and a timely opportunity provided to us by Mr. Sami Vora through an excellent holding of an virtual exhibition on the subject at the intersection of ambition, innovation, and strategic foresight. That is introduction to the Saudi 2030 vision. As we all know that this is a primary objective for today's exhibition, is that we need to understand that the Saudi 2030 vision provides an excellent opportunity to all entrepreneurs and businessmen around the world. This vision has provided its vibrant society, thriving economically, and ambitious nation. Saudi Arab is trying to diversify its economy because it is primarily dependent on oil. It wants to diversify, and this gives the world a very good opportunity